In this video, I'll show you how to control your AI agent inside Knock AI. Because using an AI agent with real buyers should not mean losing control. You need to decide what the agent is allowed to answer, how it should answer, what sources it can use, and when it should stop and bring in a human rep. You don't want the agent to answer everything just because it can. You want every answer to be accurate, relevant, and aligned with your tone of voice. Let's see how it works. First, open the AI agent configuration page. Here you can define what the AI agent can use to answer questions. You can add different data sources like PDFs, documents, audio files, video files, or URLs. You can review all the sources, choose what the agent is allowed to use, and remove anything you don't want it to rely on. It answers based on the sources you approved. The next step is controlling what the agent is allowed to answer. This is where the FAQ questions table becomes really important. Think about it as a guardrail for your AI agent. Here you can define which questions the agent can answer and which questions should go to a human rep. You can control the rules based on intent level. For example, maybe you don't want the agent to answer partnership and career questions. When a lead asks something under this intent, the agent will not try to answer, even if it has the information. Instead, it will tell the buyer that a human rep is the right person to help with this, and Knock will bring the relevant rep into the conversation based on your routing. You can also control this at the specific question level. So maybe support questions are generally okay for the AI agent to answer, but there is one specific support question you don't want the AI to handle. You can simply mark this question as not allowed for AI answer. Sometimes the agent may categorize a question under the wrong intent. In that case, you can update the intent manually. Once you change the intent, the agent will adjust based on the right category and the rules you defined for it. Every new question a lead asks is automatically added to this table. You can edit the answer to impact the tone of voice and messaging. Maybe you want it to be more direct, maybe more friendly, maybe more specific to your ICP. The more you review and improve answers, the better the agent becomes at answering in the way you want. So this page gives you full control over your AI agent. What sources it can use, what questions it should avoid, which intent each question belongs to, and how the answers should sound. That's how you make your Knock agent your best SDR. Let's knock.